extremely sorry, but I hope you all understand मेरे अपने reasons थे. Thank you so much for your birthday wishes and for being so generous and kind, for all the things you've done across the globe, or probably especially people, I think everywhere in India or across the globe, whatever you've done. Thank you for being so generous and spreading love. As I mentioned in my caption as well, that we are going through a pandemic and there are people जिनके पास खाना नहीं है, जिनके पास रहने को जगह नहीं है, या फिर लोग bankrupt हो गए हैं क्योंकि शायद अपने लव्ड वंस के इलाज में सारे पैसे चले गए हैं. तो आपने इतना काइंडनेस दिखाया, यू वर सो जनरस कि आपने गरीबों को खाना खिलाया और इतनी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें की. आप पुट द वीडियो आउट, सो थैंक यू सो 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 मच फॉर दैट. एंड देयर इज़ अ लॉट मोर विच यू ऑल हैव डन, जिनके मेरे पास सर्टिफिकेट्स हैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ें आई हुई. आई एम गोना शेयर दैट स्लोली एंड आराम से. I just want to take my own time, guys. Please bear with me, please. I know आप लोगों ने इस बार भी इतना कुछ किया. You know, there were so many cakes, flowers, a lot of things happened. I received a lot of them. But I know I'm not sharing any picture. I'll try. Maybe in a couple of days. I was not in a right space of mind, right frame of mind, so I just wanted to be myself, so which is why I chose me. So I hope you understand that. तो मुझे इस चीज़ के लिए, इस बार मेरे बर्थडे पे मुझे इस चीज़ के लिए बहुत मैं आपसे अपॉलॉजी एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ, और आई होप कि आप लोग मुझे माफ़ करें. एंड थैंक यू वंस अगेन फॉर ऑल द ट्रेंड्स and for all the fan edits. I received them all. For all the blessings, for all the good wishes, for all the love you've showered on my birthday. It has reached me. I may not have reacted, but it has reached me, which is why I was told, and I also decided and felt like at least I should go live and kind of talk to you guys about how I'm feeling now. I'm much better. I'm in a very, very good space right now. पर तब मैं चाहती थी कि मैं थोड़ा मेरे स्पेस में रहूं, और थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लेटिंग मी बी एंड not interfering or not being so demanding and understanding what I'm going through. So thank you so much for that. प्लीज़ कम एट गुजरात. जी कभी मौका मिले तो ज़रूर आएंगे. तो ये थी कहानी. आप लोग बताएं आप लोगों ने और क्या क्या किया. आई नो आप सब लोगों ने बहुत छोटी बहुत सारी चीज़ें की है. बिन सो मेनी केक्स which have been cut at different places, different locations, with all the people who love me. Thank you for that. And आप लोगों ने और भी बहुत सारे, some people have planted trees, बहुत सारी ऐसी बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ें की हैं, जिसके लिए I really want to appreciate you guys. और मुझे बहुत सारी विशेस भेजी हैं, बहुत सारे ट्रेंड्स किए. Thank you, and thank you so much for letting me be. I am so thankful for that you just let me be and you understood that this birthday I just want to be myself. Tanmay Kamble, there you go. Hi Sonia. Sunaya. Ankush Bhatt also joined my live. Hi Ankush. How are you doing? What else is happening? Anything you want to share? So am I, Ankush. When are we working together? Anything जो आप मुझसे कहना चाहते हैं. आपके बर्थडे विशेस मुझे मिले. Thank you so much once again to each one of you for all the fan edits, for everything you've done for me. I have received it all. I have all the pictures. I have all the videos, and I'll make sure that I post them in a day or two. Just taking a little more time. So please bear with me. Oh wow, so many cakes. Thank you. Thank you, Sangeeta. Hi. Hi, Disha. Hi, Milan. Only after we have pics together. Yes, Ankush, we really need to click some good pictures together. Where is Shahir? You guys are so good. Explore life. I don't know where Shahir is. I think he may be shooting. I'm sure he'll be good. We haven't spoken. I mean, yeah. On my birthday, I guess. Yeah. Thank you, Sahil. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you, Sanjana. Thank you, Hareem. Thank you so much. Thank you, Irfan. Thank you so much for your good wishes. Thank you, Garima. हाँ जी, हाँ, मैं वही हूँ, तनु जी. थोड़ी सी बदल गई हूँ. Thank you, मुस्कान. और कुछ आप मुझसे पूछना चाहते हैं या कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? सब हैप्पी बर्थडे विश कर रहे हैं मुझे पता है आप सब लोग बहुत परेशान थे मेरे लिए and you all wanted a glimpse of me, but I was like completely off for like 2 days. I just want a little bit of time, and as I said that sometimes it's important. Self-healing is very important. You gotta love yourself. Hi Rishabh, when are we shooting? Thank you, Zeba. Thank you, Miss Gill. What's your birthday resolution? There are many actually. To try and be a little more positive. I guess I need that. Yes, Ikra, पूछिए. Thank you. Lots of love to you. From Dubai. Thank you. Happy birthday, Sher Khan. Thank you. I am better. The Heart Kidnapper is your handle name. Wow. You're doing outstanding. Thank you. कपिल जी, थैंक यू सो मच. हेलो बोल दीजिए. रेवो आपको हेलो बोल दिया. रुबिया खान, थैंक यू सो मच. स्टिल एवरीवनस लाइक दिल की भड़ास निकाले. सब जितने लोग हैं सब हैप्पी बर्थडे लिख रहे हैं. So that's really sweet of you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. So many hearts, so much love. Thank you so much. I can only see cakes sliding up. Hi, Pratigya. Thank you so much. Please send in your prayers. Pray for me, pray for my good health. I am still not fully recovered, trust me. It's been a hell of a journey, but I'm really trying to stay positive and kind of distract myself, and I think distraction and positivity is the only way out. Trying to meditate, and I have to get back to exercise as well. I've not been exercising of late for obviously my health reasons, but I'm going to get back to exercising as well. I'll have to start working out. So you'll have a lot of content, workout content I'm going to post, and a lot of other things too. Thank you, Vishali. थैंक यू. लाइव आने के बाद यही होता है, मुझे समझ नहीं आता है कि मैं आप लोगों से क्या बात करूं. all are with you. Tamanna says, take care of your health. We all are with you. Thank you so much, Tamanna. That's what I need. And I think you guys just let me be on my birthday. That's a big gift. Rishabh can't wait. I also can't wait, Rishabh. We have to shoot soon. Vicky, Valim Sam, get well soon, Vicky. All you guys, all the family members. I am praying for you, sending you prayers and positivity. You're so good actor, Amarji. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. Thank you. Hi, Ashwini. अच्छा ठीक है, आप सब लोगों के बर्थडे विशेस मुझे मिल गए. थैंक यू सो मच. अब मुझे तैयारी करनी है. अब शूट जो कि मैं कम्प्लीटली भूल गई थी. और मुझे उठना है और मुझे वो एसी बंद करना है क्योंकि मेरे गले में ड्राइनेस शुरू हो गई है पोस्ट कोविड सिम्टम्स. So there are a lot of things which still happen and I deal with them on the daily basis. But as I said, all you can do is distract yourself and stay positive. Trust me, I have gone through so much. Can't even explain, can't even start. But मैं सिर्फ आप सबको इतना ही कहूँगी कि पॉजिटिव रहें. मेंटली नहीं, फिजिकली बात कर रही हूँ कि फिजिकली भी बहुत बहुत सब कुछ होता आ रहा है, हो रहा है, और आई एम रियली ट्राइंग टू स्टे पॉजिटिव. सो ऑल आई नीड इज योर प्रेयर्स. आई रियली वांट टू गेट बेटर एंड आई रियली वांट टू गेट डन विद दिस. रियली वांट टू गेट डन विद दिस. सो प्लीज सेंड इन योर प्रेयर्स कि हम स्वस्थ रहें और खुश रहें. प्लीज, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सब लोग मेरे लिए दुआ करें और मैं जल्दी से 100% बेटर हो जाऊँ. Yes, I'm going to start, Snehal, I'm going to start working out. I have a small trip from day after, no, I think from tomorrow. And then once I come back, I'll start working out. Thank you. Okay, I have to start getting ready now. आप सब लोगों से फिर से मिलूंगी. You are Sher Khan and super strong girl. Yes, I am. Yes. I am. And I'm really trying hard. I am really trying hard. Hi, thank you, Devanshi. Okay, Salam Zen. Good day. You all also take care. And फिर मिलते हैं, फिर बात करते हैं, किसी अच्छे टॉपिक पे बात करते हैं. फिलहाल मैं क्योंकि आप लोगों से बहुत ज़्यादा any new songs of yours? Yes, we have Mohabbat Hai coming in, Shahir and my song that is going to release soon, and as soon as we have the deeds, we're going to share them